Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to build out a data pipeline with transformations using Integrate.io. In this example, I'd like to ingest data from a CSV file stored in an S3 bucket. So first up, I'll choose my S3 bucket. Next, I'll specify my file name. And finally, I can preview my source data. Next step is I'd like to do some data transformations. The first transformation I'd like to do is a filter. I'd like to filter out any rows of data that do not contain an email address, as well as any rows of data that do not contain a company name. The second transformation I'd like to do is on a field level. So for that, I'll choose our select component. The transformation I'd like to do is to create a new column, which will be a full name. This column will be a join of both the first name and the last name columns. So for that, I'll use our expression editor, and I'll use the concat function to join these two. Last step is I need to name a new column. I'll name that full name. And then that is my data transformations complete. The last step is to choose my data destination. For me, I'd like to send out to a database, and it'll be my MySQL database, which I'll choose from my connections. Next step is I'll choose my target table, which for me is data. And then finally, I'll map my source fields to my destination columns. And there you have it. That is your first data pipeline built out using Integrate.io. If you'd like to join companies like Samsung, 7-Eleven, and Philip Morris who automate their data pipelines with Integrate.io, then feel free to schedule a time to speak with one of our team.